Hello everyone, in today's videos we are going to solve this cubic equation x cube plus x square is equal to 36 and we have to find the value of the x, means that we have to find the root of this cubic equation. Now for our simplification, subtract and add minus 3 of x square and plus 3 of x square on the previous equation. Now, on adding and subtracting minus 3 of x square on the given equation, we get x cube minus 3 of x square plus 3 of x square plus x square is equal to 36, as it doesn't impact on our given equation. Now, from here we can take out x square from this term and this term out, and we get x square time here remaining x minus 3. Now plus 3 of x square plus x square, it become 4 of x square is equal to 36. Now in the next step we can rewrite it as x square time x minus 3 plus 4 of x square. Now when we shift this 36 from right hand side to left hand side, it become minus of 36 is equal to 0. Now it is equal to x square time x minus 3 plus. Now we can take out 4 out from both of this term. Now we get 4 times here remaining x square, and 4 times 9 it become 36. Now here remaining only minus of 9 is equal to 0. Now we have x square time x minus 3 plus 4 times x square minus 9 can be written as 3 power 2. It become 9 is equal to 0. Now we have a square minus b square, it is equal to a plus b times a minus of b. Now we can use this identity in this term and we get x square times x minus 3 plus 4 times a plus b, means that x plus 3 times a minus b, means that x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now from here are two terms. First term is x square times x minus 3 and second term is plus 4 times x plus 3 times x minus 3. Now here is x minus 3 common from first term, and second term we can take out here remaining x minus 3 times here remaining only x square plus 4 times x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now from here x minus 3 times here is x square plus 4 times x, it become 4 of x plus 4 times 3 it become 12 is equal to 0. Now here are two terms. First term is x minus 3 and second term is x square plus 4 of x plus 12. Now on equating both term to 0, we get first term is x minus 3 is equal to 0. Second term is x square plus 4 of x plus 12 is equal to 0. Now first of all we solve first term. X minus 3 is equal to 0. It gives us x minus 3 plus 3 is equal to plus 3. Now here is plus 3 and minus 3 can be cancel out, which gives out x is equal to 3. Now for our second term is x square plus 4 of x plus 12 is equal to 0. This is our second term. It is an quadratic equation. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4 and c is equal to 12. And when we find this x, we use quadratic formula. We know that x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times ac divided by 2 times a. Now, on substituting the value of a, b and c in this formula, we get x is equal to minus b minus 4 plus minus square root of b square, means that 4 square minus 4 times a means 1 times c means 12, divided by 2 times a, means that 2 times 1. No, it gives out x is equal to minus 4 plus minus square root of 4 square means that 16 minus 4 times 1 it become 4 times 12 divided by 2 times 1 it become 2. Therefore, x is equal to 4 plus minus square root of 16 minus 4 times 12 it become 48 divided by 2. No, x gives out 4 plus minus square root of 16 minus 48 it become minus of 32 divided by 2. Now we have x is equal to 4 plus minus square root of minus of 1 times square root of 32 divided by 2. And we know that a square root of minus of 1 it is equal to iota. Thus x is equal to 4 plus minus iota square root of 32 divided by 2. Now it gives out x is equal to 4 plus minus iota square root of 32 can be written as 16 times 2 divided by 2. Divided by 2. No, it is equal to x is equal to 4 plus minus iota square root of 16 times 2. We can write it as 16 square root of 16 times square root of 2 divided by 2, which implies x is equal to 4 plus minus iota square root of 16 it is equal to 4 square root of 2 divided by 2. Now, which gives out x is equal to 4 divided by 2 plus minus iota 4 square root of 2 divided by 2. Now it is equal to x is equal to 2 times 2 it become 4 and 2 times 2 it become 4. Thus it is equal to x gives out 2 plus minus iota square root of 2. Thus there are two root. First root is 2 plus iota square root of 2 and second root is 2 minus of iota square root of 2. These are complex root of this equation, and first root is x is equal to 3, which is a real root. Thus there are three roots. Now for our real root x is equal to 3, we verify either it satisfy our equation or not. Let us take x is equal to 3. First of all, we take our left hand side. Our left hand side is x cube plus x square. Now on substituting the value of x is equal to 3 in this equation, we get 3 cube plus 3 square, which gives out 3 cube it is equal to 27 plus 3 square it become 9. No, it is equal to 27 plus 9 it become 36. And our right hand side it is also given that right hand side it is also given 36. No, our left hand side it is equal to our right hand side, which implies x is equal to 3 is the real root of this equation. There are the two complex root and 2 plus iota square root 2 and 2 minus iota square root of 2. There are three root. One root is real and two root are complex root. If you're new here, make sure that you to subscribe our channel for more informative videos. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.